Did you know most people feel stressed daily? Let's fix that with 5 simple mindfulness tips. Tip 1. Deep breathing. Just take a deep breath in, hold for a few seconds, and slowly breathe out. It's like hitting the reset button. Tip 2. Body scan meditation. Close your eyes and focus on each part of your body from head to toe. This helps you stay present and relaxed. Tip 3. Mindful walking. Pay attention to each step you take. Feel the ground under your feet and the breeze on your face. Tip 4. Gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. This shifts your focus to the positive. Tip 5. Guided meditation. Use an app or online video to guide you through a relaxing session. Perfect for beginners. Which technique will you try first? Let us know in the comments and share this video with someone who needs to reduce stress. Visit knowledgeyourhealth.com for more related topics like mindfulness, stress relief, mental health, and wellness.